Hi, I'm Julie from Clever Poppy and I'm very excited to show you today my DIY tutorial on how to make these air dry clay Christmas ornaments. They're adorable, they're actually really easy to make. You can leave them plain, you can decorate them in colour, or you might like just to etch some designs into them. It's a really fun project to get the kids involved with. You can even use cookie cutters to make it easier. So keep watching and I'll show you how. I hope you loved this tutorial as much as I have. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more beautiful DIY projects that you can make for your home and get right every time. Bye.